Welcome to an update. My scratch built shoulder weighing EDF jet. As you'll see in a minute, I'm using a small battery that may not deliver very long flight times in the end, but it's part of my weight savings program, and it has been from the start. So, having said that, just allow me to say the vertical stabilizer is foam with some cutouts to help reduce mass. That's right there at the tail. I couldn't make it any lighter if I made it built up, I don't think. So that's why that decision was made. I thought I'd go ahead and reveal the plumbing as it's taking shape. I've done got these lines on here represent the pretend cockpit, so the scales of the forward fuselage might, be more easily appreciated. I have the single servo ailerons that should work fine, and the layout right now is looking sort of like this, with the single servo mounted way forward, to drive the split elevator with a pair of push rods, pair of skinny little wire push rods, going from the same link point at the servo, it seemed to me like the amount of work was a wash to do it some other way, so I decided to do that. The big fat yellow ESC is in there, and the small 3S battery is in there. And we can see that the fan is there, which puts it right by the trailing edge at the wing root. So, 30V, it's, that's all.